Good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, May 27th. I'm going to go over the schedule. So for literacy, you'll all be completing the morning news. Some of you have sight words to go over, and some of you have letter recognition and identifying the letter, the sounds. You'll work on your writing. You'll work on math. Some of you will go to Miss Mintz, and some of you will go to me. For science, today we will be going over again the life cycle of the butterfly. We're going to watch Miss Jaffe's butterflies in our link, and we are going to continue watching our ladybugs develop. So the ladybugs and caterpillars are both in the larva stage, and then the next stage is the pupa stage. So hopefully we will see the ladybugs soon doing that, and we'll see the butterflies soon be doing that, and the ladybugs will hopefully follow soon. You have Art and Jim today? No, you have Art and Mr. White today. Please let me know if you're not in their classes. I should have everybody in by now, but just let me know. And that's it. If you need any assistance, please, Miss Vasquez and Miss Carney and I are here. Write to us in the stream, or as always, under the work, and we get back to you when we can. Or, Remind app is always there. All right, have a good Wednesday. Have a good Wednesday.